Today I announce that from the 1st of July this year, our government will deliver a tax cut for every single Australian taxpayer. The first element of our plan reduces the lowest rate of income tax from 19 cents in the dollar down to 16 cents. This change means that taxpayers earning less than $45,000 will now receive a tax cut, and every working Australian will pay less tax on the first $45,000 that they earn. An early educator or an aged care worker or a cleaner earning $50,000 will receive a tax cut worth over $900 a year. Today I also announced we will be increasing the low-income threshold at which the Medicare levy applies. This means 1.2 million low-income earners will either remain exempt from paying the levy or they'll pay less in tax. The second tax rate will be cut from 32.5% down to 30%, and that will apply all the way up to $135,000. We will be retaining the 37% rate, but that will now apply from $135,000, an increase up from the current position of $120,000. The threshold for the top tax rate of 45% will also be increased. It will now kick in at $190,000, up from $180,000. Now, I want to take you through what these changes will deliver for people. The average wage in Australia is $73,000. A person earning that will now get a tax cut of more than $1,500 a year. Consider a full-time worker earning $100,000 a year. They will get a tax cut of over $2,100. Over $800 more for these middle-income earners because of our changes. For a family on the average household income, which is around $130,000, with one partner earning $80,000 and the other $50,000, their combined tax cut will be over $2,600. And someone earning over $190,000, such as politicians, will still get a substantial tax cut of over $4,500. Our plan will more than double the benefit for Australians on the average income, and it will look after low-income earners and part-time workers as well. So someone working at Australia's largest employer, Woolworths, earning $40,000 will now get a tax cut of over $650. Under the Morrison plan, they would have got nothing, not a dollar. And crucially, just like our other measures assisting people with the cost of living, our tax cuts will not add to inflation.